Although the station was not in service by the time of the opening of the fourth bridge in March of 1890, North Queensferry station was opened on the 1st of July 1890. The station would replace the station of North Queensferry Pier, which had been opened in 1877 to take passengers to and from the ferry across the Forth. The station has been unstaffed since 1990 following the closure of the ticket office. The original wooden Victorian station building is still standing and its design is unique to the area. To celebrate the Forth Bridge centenary in 1990, a large mosaic depicting the bridge and the local area, created entirely by local residents, was unveiled on the station at Platform 2. The mosaic is now a well-known landmark on the Fife Circle line. So we'll get started here at North Queensferry with 17396, working the 0900 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton via Kirkcaldy. Next to arrive at the station is 17470, working the 0911 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton via Cowden Beef. Coming out of the tunnel is 43176 and 43175, working 1 Bravo 14 from Inverness to Edinburgh Waverley. Next out to depart is 17409, working the 0920 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. And heading on to the fourth rail bridge is 17427, working the 0924 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Next in to arrive is 158723, working the 0930 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton via Kirkcaldy. And right behind him is 158732, working the 0938 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Cowden Beef. Coming off the 4th rail bridge is 43132 and 43145, working 1 Alpha 55 from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen via Lucas. As coming out the tunnel the opposite way is 17403, working 2 Lima 56 from Dundee to Edinburgh Waverley. Also coming out the tunnel is 17450, working 1 Bravo 08 from Inverness to Edinburgh Waverley. And right behind him is 17429, working 2 Golf 34 from Glenrothes and Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Coming off the 4th rail bridge is 158709, working 1 Lima 37 from Edinburgh Waverley to Perth. And here comes our train in the form of 158738, working the 0959 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.